Hello everyone. In our last video, we created edit functionality in our user management system. This is our component in which we are building all the features. Now, in this video, we will add delete feature in our list. So first of all, we will add a delete button next to the edit button. So this is our edit button and this is our list body code. So here we will add delete button. So this is our delete button. Okay. We will add a function and we will add a function and delete. So here we can define our handle delete function. So we are passing user instance. So we can check by console log user its behavior. So handle delete and not delete. Now we can check if console log is coming or not. So here we have added delete button and in the console log we can check its behavior. So when I'm clicking delete, the record is coming over here. So friends, to delete a record, we need to issue an API call with the ID. So we have ID in the user object user ID. So friends, in order to delete the record, first we need API URL. So our API URL is http localhost colon 8080 API users 8080/API/users. Now we need to pass user ID to delete the record. So we can append the user ID from this user object. So we can change it to backtick. Now we need to execute this API with the fetch method. But fetch method in the fetch method we need to send delete HTTP method. So first we will call the fetch method this API URL. So by default it is a get HTTP method, but to delete the record we need to send more option to make it delete method. So we will pass some option with this fetch. So we pass method delete and headers date type application solicitation. So friends, we can pass this user ID. We can call this API with delete method. Now we can get the response. Or we can just check if response dot okay. If there is no response dot okay, then we can console log can't delete this row. First, we will check what response we are getting when we are deleting any record. So we will refresh this list and we'll click on delete button. So friends, we will delete the record and check the response. So we are getting okay. So it means we are able to delete the record. But the code has been deleted, but we are still able to see it over here. And when we will refresh it, the records will be removed from this list. So friends, after deleting the code, we will refresh this list. So friends, in order to refresh this list, we will add another state, refresh false. We will use this refresh state to refresh the list at any moment, and we will use this refresh this use effect hook. So whenever change this refresh, it will execute this API call and will update the list. Now we will update the refresh state. So in order to refresh the list, we will update this state in this particular handle delete function. So in the handle delete function, we have these props, and in these props, we should have that set state function. So we can check it by console log. So we don't have set state function in it. So we must pass set state function in this list. User data, and now we will pass set user data in it. This is the this is the set state function. We will use it to refresh, and then in render user list, we will have this function like this, set user data. So we can get this function in this set user data variable. And then after deleting, if we get the response, we will update the states refresh. So using this function, we will get the refresh state. So we will pass the previous state as it is, and then we will refresh with new refresh like this. So we have previous refresh. We are just toggling refresh. Now we will check the implementation. So now we are seeing that when we are hitting the delete button, it is instantly refreshing the list and we are able to delete the record like this. So friends, we have successfully added the delete feature in our list. Now in the next video, we will add a confirmation pop-up. So when user will try to delete any record, first it will ask, do you really want to delete this record or no? So friends, we will cover that section in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please share.